guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing good. So this is another vlog and today is the 30th of June. So how swiftly just June went by. So yeah, next is like July and it's my sister's birthday month, and I am planning to do something special for her this time because obviously she doesn't stay at home anymore. She's studying in Bangalore and now she's come for her holiday, so I thought it would be the perfect time to surprise her and sort of make her feel special because obviously it's her birthday. So for that, now I have actually planned a couple of things. Like I have texted most of her friends who aren't here in Pune, or some from her university, some from her junior college. So 2-3 of them, like the people that I know and I believe that can make her feel really special by just a small video as well. So I've asked them to make like a video. I am also planning on doing like a surprise birthday bring-in. We are not someone who celebrate birthday especially on midnights. During midnights we usually celebrate it the next day, but we want to do something like that as well. So for that I have planned on baking a cake. Now I have baked a cake like in lockdown. Post that I have no memory of doing that, and also in lockdown, that time everyone was making a cake in cooker and all of those things. But today obviously things have changed. I've got a cake mold. I do know what to put and what not to put. I have all of the ingredients available, main thing. And I don't have an oven, I have a microwave, so I need to figure out something that goes close to that. I'm gonna decorate the whole place and surprise her. Now obviously she has like she might know that we will be doing something special and we will be doing a surprise birthday bring-in. And 2-3 things that she's already mentioned. One is her birthday cake. I'm just gonna pop it somewhere. So she's told me this Pinterest inspired birthday cake that she wants. So now I'm going to figure out from which shop probably I can order such cakes. And I think that we need to pre-order. I'm just going to be contacting different places and checking out who all can manage.
The next day.
So I'm getting ready for a reel that I'm shooting right now. It's a cinematic reel. This is some concept that I wanted to do since a very long time, and the song is also trending. So I thought, why not just do it? This is like a concept that I genuinely want to do. Now obviously I don't have a lot of resources, so I'm confused as to how well the execution part would be, but I'm still hoping that it turns out to be good. I'm planning on doing an eyeshadow eye look, and this is how my palette looks at the moment. I broke it. I don't know like how it just slipped out of my hand. I was just once randomly filming this get ready with me, and I was just shifting something, or I was just speaking about the shades, and it just fell off from my hand and it just broke, especially the glitter part. If you can see, it's like I've adjusted it after so much of mehnat. Look today, I'm trying to keep it very, very natural. I don't want to do like heavy makeup for this because I'm showing a girl next door kind of character. I'm playing that, so I want to keep it very, very light and simple. Okay, so I'm all ready. I just quickly blow dried my hair as well, roughly. So this was no tutorial, just a quick get ready with me, and now let's go directly for the shoot. तो वी हैव कम्प्लीटेड लाइक हमारा हाफ शूट. 2 ही लोग हैं एंड वी हैव मैनेज दिस गार्डन जो मेरे घर के सामने है. इट्स गुड, नॉट दैट एस्थेटिक, बट ठीक है, वी आर मैनेजिंग. नाउ वी आर गोइंग बैक क्योंकि हम भूल गए हैं एक मेन सामान, दैट इज़ द रोज़, जो हमें इस रील के लिए लगेगा. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट. इट्स एक्चुअली अ वेरी गुड सॉन्ग. मुझे बहुत एस्थेटिकली उसको शूट करना था. अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे पास वैसे लोकेशंस नहीं थे, बट वट एवर आई कुड मैनेज इनफ टू एडिट. थोड़ा सा पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में आई हैव टू वर्क सो दैट द प्रोडक्ट कम्स आउट टू बी रियली गुड.
A few moments later.
It's a wrap finally. We got the rose, we shot the reel and we are done with the shoot. तो अभी हम फटाफट यहाँ से निकलने वाले हैं बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम मुझे यहाँ पे शूट करना था और मैं प्रॉपर वीडियोग्राफर लेकर आई थी. उनके पास कैमरा भी था. सो देन दे वर लाइक यू कांट शूट ओवर हियर विद दीज कैमराज. तो हमने फटाफट फ़ोन में शूट तो कर लिया, बट नाउ वी लीविंग बिफोर एनीवन आस्क्स अस क्वेश्चंस. तो चलो फटाफट निकल दी अभी मैं. Okay, so a quick update video. So basically the cake has been finalized. Like I've got the customization done. I have placed the order. I contacted 3 to 4 different like people who customize cakes, and although like I got mixed reviews, I'm going to go and collect it because the timing that they are giving me for the delivery is not matching with the time that I want, because we have to go for lunch as well. So yeah, that's the reason I'll be going and collecting the cake, but the cake order is finally done. Also, I got my nails done because obviously my sister was getting her nails done for her birthday, so I thought why not just do it. It's been months now, 3 months later I'm going. So I have opted for the ombre effect. So this is something new. I want to try something new because I've been bored of the plain colors that I've been doing, that I do at home as well. I wanted some nail art, but then I couldn't figure out one, so I thought I'll just go and do the ombre effect. The chrome one was quite expensive, so I thought I'll stick to ombre. So this is me at 8 o'clock, I guess, and I started baking. So unfortunately, I got this non-stick tin from Reliance, and then I realized that this doesn't suit in microwave. So then I finally went to my old mold itself, cake mold, and then I started preparing the cake. I'm really sorry for the unaesthetic kitchen background that I have at the moment, but बहुत घाई घाई में था. I couldn't even do any proper setup, and most importantly मैं उसे बता भी नहीं सकती थी. So it was something that was too secretive, तो इसलिए आपको ज़्यादा कुछ recipes नहीं मिलेगा. Just a quick overview of how I actually baked the cake for her. By the way, I will also attach the link of the recipe that I had seen. This was such an easy recipe and also so flavorful. Like honestly, when everyone tasted, they actually loved the cake. But honestly, I'm in love with the recipe. It was super easy, kind of healthy because I avoided maida as well. And if you're looking out for some good cake recipes that is simple and easy for trial basis, I think you can definitely go ahead with this one. You will see in this recipe that I'm actually following all of the measurements accurately. Reason behind that, इससे पहले भी जब मैंने bake किया था, I always used to do it by myself. मैं अंदाज़न measurements लगा के डाल देती थी, and it didn't turn out the way I wanted it. So this is like my biggest lesson थी, and that's exactly why the cake turned out to be the way it is. Then we kept the cake for baking, and I was really nervous when it ended because I just was so dicey, तो इसलिए मैंने खुद से open नहीं किया. But oh my god, जब मैंने open किया, I was so surprised क्योंकि cake बहुत ही ज़्यादा moist था and sponge जैसा था. Now this is my biggest learning कि chocolate ganache could have been a little bit more thin, उससे वो evenly spread out होता and ओवरऑल प्रेजेंटेशन भी बहुत ही अच्छा होता. बट ओके, देयर इज़ ऑलवेज स्कोप फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट, एंड मैं और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें यूज़ कर सकती थी फॉर द प्रेजेंटेशन. आई हैड वॉलनट्स, आई हैड ड्राई फ्रूट्स, बट ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम. उसके बाद ऑब्वियसली आई रेफ्रिजरेटेड द केक एंड लॉल, दैट वुड बी सच अ बमर.
नहीं है स्पेशल.
आर्या, हाँ तो उसको थोड़ा पीछे करो,
थोड़ा पीछे
पीछे आओ.
पीछे 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 पीछे. हाँ
हाँ ओके.
लाइट ऑन करना नहीं है क्या?
लाइट अभी ऑन करो.
हाँ नहीं तो उसको
ओके, वेट यू गाइस. ओके,
ना हाँ
एक्टिंग के बादशाह. ओके, सरप्राइज. That was such a fake reaction. Wow. That was such a fake reaction.
ये देखो,
मुझे पता था.
मुझे पता है. वीना ने बेक किया.
पता था कि सरप्राइज आ रहा है. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Surprise.
मेरा ना YouTube ना no.
हाँ.
It was okay.
It was okay. I'm gonna slap you.
It was really nice. I loved it.
But you were expecting this, right?
No,
मतलब you knew.
But then yeah, I knew.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Arya. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. ओके फाइनल रिव्यू बताओ तब तक.
नाइस केक.
नाइस.
वेरी टेस्टी.
इट्स गुड.
गिने मधुरम.
हाउ वाज द केक? अरे बहन आज के दिन बोलेगी.
रुक जाओ. The cake was really nice.
Only that much. How was the cake, Arya?
वहाँ से तो मुझे कहना.
Arya?
So we have known each other for 8 to 9 years अभी तक. Hi Arya.
Oh, अनन्या.
Happy birthday, Arya.
कीर्ति ने किट्टी.
Banundo.
Dealing with my autism, and thank you so much for actually wearing my autism, and I hope you have a lot of fun this year.
Hola, Kavya.
Arya. Caught on camera. Yes, Arya, after the waterworks, what do you have to say to all of your friends who took the special effort?
It was really nice. Thank you.
The next day.
So we're going to get the delivery of the cake. 11 o'clock का मैंने टाइम उनको बोला था रेडी करके रखने के लिए, and by 12 to deliver. But then their delivery boy only will come by 12, so then they'll deliver by 1. तो बहुत डिले होने वाला था, तो हमको रेस्टोरेंट भी जाना है, उधर जाके केक कटिंग करना है. So we decided कि हम खुद ही जाके लेके आते हैं. So we're going for that. And then for the longest time she's been asking for a bouquet, so we're gonna get a bouquet for her as well. जैसे उसको चाहिए, उसने थोड़ा बहुत specification बताया था. So we're gonna go do that as well, and then we're gonna come back home, we're gonna get ready and then leave for the restaurant. Oh, जैसे चाहिए था ना वैसे ही उसने बनाया.
हाँ, देखा तूने?
So we got the delivery for the cake. I'm sorry मैं उधर कुछ vlog नहीं कर पाई because everyone was so conscious, so I didn't want to film over there. But the cake looks very very beautiful. With what I have seen, it looks very beautiful. I don't know about the taste, but जैसे मैंने उनको reference भेजा था, they've exactly delivered in that way. And I also mentioned कि red heart चाहिए, but अंदर I wanted to be chocolate. So they've told me that yes, they've done that, and I've chosen chocolate truffle as the flavor. So I am really happy with the way the cake is looking.
बर्थडे है ना, तो फिर अच्छा लग रहा है. अच्छा. बढ़िया बनाई है ना.
इधर आना बच्चा.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
बर्थडे आर्या.
जैसा तुझे बुके चाहिए था वैसे ही है ना?
हाँ.
है.
वीणा रुको पर ना.
कितना पेस्टर किया तूने इसके लिए मुझे. So this is my makeup and the look for today. So we're going right now to the restaurant. We'll be leaving in like 5 minutes. And then we'll be celebrating her birthday. यहाँ पे फोटो रिव्यू हो रहा है जो भी खींचा गया है. So they are reviewing the pictures which is gonna come soon on Instagram. Oh ho ho ho.
ओके ले. मैंने तो पूछो. मुझे फोटो तो मिल गई. वेरी गुड देता ना.
ये KFC स्टाइल चिकन जैसा है. एक्स्ट्रा प्रो मैक्स.
टिश्यू दो ना.
Next is the Rajasthani lal mas that we're trying.
थोड़ा कम करना.
What was the Rajasthani lal mas?
I didn't have that.
To have Nice.
चला
This is the plain rice and that is वाला कौन सा था? Buna? अच्छा, कोलाबा का buna. I have ordered the biryani. I'm gonna try the biryani. Good. Could have been better. No, it's good, but it could have been better. This is an average biryani for me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. अरे आर्या वान है. मैं बोली उसको
हैप्पी बर्थडे थैंक यू कैसा लगा मैंने इग्नोर कर दिया कल पूरे दिन बाद मुझे लगा एनआईटी स्टार्ट क्या हो गया इग्नोर भूल गई
Oh, by the way, I forgot to give you the review about the cake. Okay, so the name of the cake shop is Ora Meha. Now, honestly, I did like it, but that one thing that was a bummer was the color in the upper layer. So, if you're someone who wants to avoid color and do not like color in your cakes, then do not go for this option. But from that, I really loved the customization that they had done because they got me the exact cake that I had shown them in the reference. So yeah, you can definitely check out if you want to look for some cakes for any particular occasion.